Hey guys, I have another Yoga Club unboxing for you today. I have the Guru box, which means I have 3 items in here that are supposed to be valued at $160, and the cost of the Guru box is $80 or $79.99 a month. And let's see what I got. So the first thing that I see is a sports bra. So every box that I've gotten so far, I've had leggings, I've had sports bra, and I've had a top. So far, this is very similar to the other box I've gotten, but this is actually probably the most, how do I say this, least supportive sports bra that I've gotten from them, which is not a bad thing. I'm actually kind of excited to have something a little bit different, and I have quite a few other sports bras that are very supportive, including the last 2 I got from Yogaclub, so I'm kind of excited to try something a little different. It's got like little straps in the back. They're crisscrossed, and yeah, I think it's pretty cute. And this is by the brand Sadhana, and it's valued at $55. So the next thing in here is this gray top, this sports top, and it's got a little black strap on the back. It's kind of stretchy, it's got elastic in it. And this is really cute, it's sleek, I like the color. I'm a big fan of gray, I love gray. And this is by Cole Activewear. It is size medium, by the way, and it is $44, valued at $44. And this one, by the way, the sports bra, is also in size medium. So far, this is a pretty neutral box, and I actually am a big fan of neutral colors anyways, but I did tell Yoga Club I'd be fine with neutrals or colors. And all the leggings I've gotten so far from Yoga Club have been very loud, colorful pants. Let's see this last item. So my first Yoga Club box, I got a pair of leggings from this brand, Cozy Orange. So this looks like the same kind of packaging as before. Ooh, and it's purple. And yep, so this is by Cozy Orange. So these are yoga pants, and these are actually the same pair of yoga pants that I got on my first box. It's just a different color. They have a mesh background right like behind the kneecap, and a little bit of ruching at the very bottom. And they seem to be like a purple tie-dye color. And actually, of all the leggings I've gotten so far, this color has been my favorite. The other 2 were very, very brightly colored and just kind of like, it's very loud. So this is a little bit less loud, and I'm kind of excited about that. Let me go ahead and try on this set of clothes. And honestly, I also think that this box has been the most coordinated box. Like the coloring, picks all the colors of the pieces all go very well together. So I will be right back. So here is the outfit. This is the whole thing right here. The pants actually feel, they are exactly the same style as my first Yoga Club pants, but they feel differently. They feel actually kind of like, almost kind of like really thick tights, but I'm not saying that in a complaining way. I actually really, really love these pants. Love them. I like the top as well. It's very simple and nice, and it's a lot more, I thought it was going to be more flowy, but it's not as flowy. It's actually nicely fitted. And then the bra, which I said was not going to be very supportive, is not very supportive. It is definitely not supportive. I would not wear this bra if I was going to go run or anything too intense, just because it doesn't have the support, but it is really cute. So I did get 2 other sports bras from Yoga Club that were much, much more supportive, and I kind of like to have the variation of stuff anyways, just to have. This is my 3rd outfit from Yoga Club, and this is probably my favorite outfit thus far. And these are the back of all the outfit, or the whole outfit. And yeah, so again, I got the Guru Yoga Club box, and if you guys have any questions about the box or about the products I got, please put them in the comment bar below. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.